In this video, I'll show you how to upscale a video to 4K in Premiere Pro. So once you've got your clip on the timeline in Premiere Pro, you need to go to Media Pool in the top left, and then you'll see your timeline. First, if you right click on this, you can then go to Timeline Settings. And from here, you need to change timeline resolution from what it is currently to 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. Once you've done that, your timeline and project will now be 4K. Now, if you go into the edit section of DaVinci Resolve, you can right click on your clip. You can then click on clip attributes. And if you go to super scale, you can change this to 4x enhanced. Then go ahead and click OK. That will enhance your clip the best that it can. Now, this used to be a free feature, but now it's only available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. So if you don't have that, you can't enhance. Whether you've enhanced it or not, you can then go ahead and export it. And as you can see, we will now be exporting in 3840 by 2160, which is going to be 4K.